David Groner, elder law attorney with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic, is back in the studio with us talking more about estate planning. David, welcome back.
Well, it's good to be here.
Now, we go over a lot of questions that real people ask you in your workshops that you do throughout Acadiana, and one of them, you said it's a topic that you really like to talk about. So this was a real question that you got. Would a trust prevent Grandpa from giving away the estate to a caregiver? What does that mean?
Well, you know, this actually happens, and it happens more often than people realize. But as people get older and become more feeble, and they're being cared for by caregivers who aren't the family, because the family has to work and someone else is taking care of them, that person spends a lot of time with them, and sometimes the elderly person will, unbeknownst, but just because of that relationship, change their will and give that person perhaps part of the estate or all the estate, which should go to the benefit of the children, the heirs. So what about that? Well, if you do a trust, a properly done trust, then that's going to protect the estate. And it can't be changed by the grandpa, no matter how much he likes his caregivers. It can only be done through the family. And the family is nice and preserved, and it's the best way to transition your estate to your children, rather than leaving it vulnerable to where anyone at the last minute can lean on Grandpa to change the will, to put their name on it. You don't want that to happen. You don't want those kind of changes made at the very end.
So just to be clear, beneficiaries of a trust must be family members? No,
not at all.
Okay.
I mean, a beneficiary can be anyone or any charity. A lot of times people do trusts and they want part of their estate to go to a charity. So we accommodate whatever the wishes are. When we do the planning, we take care of it. But the thing is, it's nice and preserved, so there won't be any last-minute changes.
Gotcha.
Once a person becomes feeble, not really thinking straight, and is vulnerable to influence, undue influence from other people.
So that's what it's protecting us from. It's protecting us from Grandma or Grandpa not in their super clear mind, preventing them from making a big decision like that.
Absolutely.
Gotcha.
And being influenced wrongly by the wrong people. So that's what it's all about. It's preserving the estate, making sure it goes to the right people that you want them to go to, and not being changed because of undue influence.
And of course, you do a lot of workshops throughout Acadiana so that our viewers can learn more from you. When are some of these workshops? Okay.
Well, we have one coming up in Youngsville. We have one coming up in River Ridge, Louisiana. That's near New Orleans. And then I'm back at the New Iberia Main Library this month as well. I will publish all my workshops on my website, acadianaelderlaw.com, or Facebook, Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. You can find me on Facebook. So just look us up or give me a call. Call the number, and we'll be happy to tell you when you can appear. If you can't appear, let us know. We can do a Zoom call. We can do an in-person conference. You know, whatever we can do to help educate the public on how to best transition their estate to their children.
There are plenty of ways for you guys to get in touch with David. Again, elder law attorney with the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. Give David a call at that number on your screen, or keep up with his upcoming workshops on the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic Facebook page.